Hey guys, welcome back to another episode from my kitchen. Today I'll be sharing something non-Indian, a recipe with avocado. Yes, you guessed it right. It's nothing but guacamole or simply avocado dip. This is something we regularly make at home to have it with bread, especially during the weekends. I'll be sharing two versions. The first one will obviously be the traditional version and the second one is a fruity variation of the original. I'm preparing this in a pestle and mortar. I seriously get crazy for such traditional stuff. But you can just crush the ingredients using any method you wish to. Just make sure not to make a fine paste out of it. So let's get started. So now add in 1 peeled garlic pod, 1 green chilli and a little sea salt. Crush it lightly. Garlic and green chilli can be adjusted to your taste. Sea salt gives a good flavor. You can also add a little olive oil at this stage, but I'm not adding. To this, add in a few cherry tomatoes. Add in a handful of coriander and crush them lightly. Now it's time to add the avocado. First thing we need to do is to get the pit out. So cut the avocado in half like how you see in the video. Use the blade of the knife to grab a hold of the pit, give it a little twist and discard the pit. Now use a spoon to scoop out the flesh. You could either dice or mash the avocados for this recipe. I prefer a creamier guacamole. You can even just mash the avocado with a fork and gently mash it along with the rest of the ingredients to incorporate all the flavors into the avocado. If you like to keep your guacamole on the chunkier side, mash it lightly. And there you have it. And now add in some finely chopped red onions and some lime juice. Give it a mix and adjust salt. And there you have it. Your guacamole is ready. And now for the fruit version, I am using mango and pomegranate. So now to this traditional version, add in some mango pieces and pomegranate arils, some lime juice and mash lightly. The mango blends in nicely with the creamy texture of avocados and the pomegranate seeds provide an excellent crunch. You can also add some lime zest if you prefer to. And quantities of each and every ingredient can be adjusted to suit your taste. I am just showing how I like my guacamole to be. Transfer to a bowl and serve. Serve immediately or cover it with a plastic wrap and refrigerate for a couple of hours, but for not too long, otherwise the color will change. Serve cold or at room temperature. Don't they look gorgeous, looking like magenta jewels, right? That's it. It was so simple, right? You have your two variations of guacamole ready and you can serve it with chips or bread. Hope you enjoyed this video. Do try it and let me know how it turned out for you. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. And if you're here for the first time, do subscribe and do not forget to turn on the notification bell for new updates. That was it for today guys. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, it's me Padma signing off.